Curious about how to flaunt your favorite hero on your Mobile Legends profile and impress your friends? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step by step on how to display your main Mobile Legends hero on your profile. Let's dive in. First, open up Mobile Legends. Then, tap on your profile icon. Next, look for the box icon labeled Hero in the lower right corner of the screen and tap it. Now, you'll see a hero that you play displayed on right side of the screen. To change this hero, tap on the To change this hero, tap on the Edit button. Then, choose your preferred hero and tap Confirm. Now, this selected hero will always be shown on your profile. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can display your main hero on your profile. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more Mobile Legends tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.